Assalamu alaikum. This is Faizul. In this video, I'm going to show you how to start and log in to the BizBook server in your local machine. To do that, first make sure you clone the BizBook server project and BizBook client project. Both are from master branch in your local machine. I have already downloaded, you can see here, and also I have already opened the project, you can see here. First, I need to make sure that our connection string is okay. Just I'm checking my web config. My database is actually server is dot localhost and the database is BizBook365. And another thing, I need to make sure that multiple startup project is identity and inventory both. If you don't know what shortcut key I pressed, I just right click and go to the properties. That's it. So after opening this BizBook, let's go to package manager console. If you don't have this in the bottom of your page, go to tools and go to NuGet package manager and go to package manager console, and make sure your default project is server.identity, and I'm just writing update database verbose and I'm just pressing the enter. What it will do is it will create the database for me and update the tables. Let's wait for some seconds. Okay, and after that you need to select the model project and execute the same command. Just press the up arrow and press enter. So now we should have our database created. Let's see. Let's go to the SQL Operation Studio. It is very lightweight database management tool. Just click on here, new connection, and I'm pressing the dot here because we have the server as dot and the database is BizBook365. Where is it? I don't see it, so let's not select it right now. Press connect. If you refresh this, I hope, yes, you can see we have BizBook365 here and we already have the tables here. If you don't have this software, you can also use the SQL Management Studio. It is quite heavy, but the same thing. And go to database and you will see BizBook365 is created and we already have the tables. Let's not dig here right now. We will discuss each of them in our later videos. Now let's run our server project. Just press start here. So again, I remind you, we have two startup projects and I selected Firefox as my default browser. To check if my server is actually running or not, I have some demo API exposed here. It is actually running, and for this one let's select, yes, it's 923 and it's 924. Okay, so our server is running good. Now let's go to the client side. We already have how to run your client in this instruction set. I will create another detailed instruction set later for the server. So you can see here, I will go to common app common and you will see down here the URL service.ts. Just double click it and find whether the function is here. I'm just uncommenting the set localhost. This function is actually pointing our localhost endpoints. So okay, so since it is pointing already, now let's run two different commands. One is tsc-w. It will look for the TypeScript changes. Another one is http server. So you already see it is starting the http web server. And just click here. Let's copy this and go to Chrome, our favorite Chrome. Okay. To inspect, let's press F12 or just go to inspect here. I want to see at which endpoint it calls. Click the sign in demo, and for now press okay, incorrect, because we don't have any account right now. Let's create. Okay, so we should have some seed data before we need to log in. How can we find those seed data? In the server project, you will find there is a folder, scripts folder, SQL. There are two files here. So we need to run these one by one. So permission, just one time press F5 or press execute. Make sure you have the BizBook365 here or just here. I guess it is run. Yes, and again open the second one, superadmin. It will create and manage the superadmin user. Superadmin user actually for creating the new shops and others. It's a multi-vendor, multi-warehouse system. So if you want to be a superadmin, you can create multiple shops by yourself. Okay. Since we have inserted the Faisal superadmin, let's try to log in using this. And what is the password? Password is sorry, I will give you the password later because I don't want to reveal that in the open video. So did we have inserted this? Let's see. Refresh. Let's see. Spinet users. Okay, so sorry, I need to see whether it is. Oh yes, it is calling to the identity server. It will not work in this way. I need to hit the index.dev. My apology. Let's clear our request and press yes. Now it's logged in. If we want to go to the token endpoint, it is logged in to the 61923 port, our local host. Now let's create a user. So you already see there is a demo1 shop here. Now let's create a user for it. There is no demo1 user for the shop. So demo1 admin. I already copied that. 1, 2, 3. Password is shop admin. Shop admin is our next topmost role after the super admin. and we are setting the sheet demo1. Press active and press save. Yes, it is saved. Now let's log out from this, or even we can just check another browser using this one. Suppose we are using Brave, different browser. And let's go to demo. Password is actually my pass 1 2 3, and yes, it is saved, and you can see our everything here. We suppose have a brand. Yes, it is a demo brand. So yes, so that's it. I don't want to make this video so long. I will create different videos for different use cases. Feel free to knock me in our Facebook page. It is given here, Code Coopers Academy, or feel free to email me in my email address, or comment into the YouTube video or Facebook page. So thanks for watching. Assalamu alaikum.